So I'm here with Joe at KPG. It's been a long day, and I guess the end of a very long show. But you're smiling at least, which is good. I wondered if you could tell me why you chose to come here and also to take part in the package printing zone, Joe.
This is the first time that KPG has ever bought a packaging press to Labelexpo, and we've come to every Labelexpo since the beginning, and it tied in very well with us being a sponsor of the packaging zone. So this is a completely new step for us, and it's worked out, I think, generally really well.
So what application were you showing on the machine?
Again, at first for Labelexpo, we were showing the printing of polyamide casings for smoked foods, sausages, smoked cheese, that type of thing. But the press also is ideal for printing tube laminates. So we've had a lot of interest from tube manufacturers and also label companies who want to move into tube laminates. And this is what we hope, that label companies looking to widen their markets would look at this press and say, oh, we know these presses, and then we can move into new markets of packaging food in terms of polyamide casings, polybags, tubes, which maybe they wouldn't have thought of before, but still using the same technology.
So I guess I should say maybe for our readers who don't know the background, that these machines are still built for you, I guess, by Toyo?
By Toyo Engineering, and we still have the same design engineers, and of course we still have Glenn Miller, who's our technical director, still designing the machines from KPG Europe's side of things. And this whole project has been spearheaded by KPG Europe and the European demand for such a press. I mean, we have quite a few customers now, like with 7 of these machines or similar. This is a new version, I should say, for this show, because we're promoting this press as the press that can do films, labels, polyamide casings and tube laminates. So really we're offering label printers a fantastic return on their investment. That's the whole concept of it, and maximum press utilisation. So they can run the press 1 or 2 shifts, for example, printing tubes. On the 3rd shift, put it over across to labels or films. And the ones we've sold so far, this is what our customers have done. So they've crossed the barriers.
Very interesting, and I guess that was really... So would your advice to the organisers, to Tarsus, be that they should expand the package printing part of the show for the next show?
Span it in terms of identifying markets that label producers can relatively easily move into, allied markets, not to go into something entirely different, but to ones that label manufacturers can identify with using the existing sales force, their existing production skills, and I think there's a real development there.
And there's a lot of doom and gloom out there, Joe, in a wider European economy at the moment. But what's been your impression of the label converters that you've seen here? Are they in a buying mood? Are they optimistic about current situation?
Truthful with you, we haven't seen so many pure label manufacturers. The people that have come here to see us are generally people who know us already, but they're more interested in the packaging side. Albeit some do labels as well. But we haven't seen this particular show so many just narrow web pure label manufacturers.
Joe, thank you very much. I know it's been a long show, and you can't wait to get home and see the family, where it's even hotter than here, I understand. So, but thank you very much indeed.